What's up gamers, today we're going to be playing War Robots. Yes, I've been playing for a lot of time and I realized that I haven't streamed. So I'm going to be showing you a gameplay of the Arming Titan, which is level 21 currently, but yeah, it's pretty good. Currently, due to the upgrades, it's actually very good. Like 2,95,125 hit points, 47 defense points, 56 ground based defense. Then I'm thinking of then this 1% additional damage, 32 kilometers per hour speed, and 7700 ability repair. So I am thinking of like upgrading this sometime, but as soon as I earn like the platinum, because well, I'm getting additional damage and I don't have enough money. Yeah. Bro, wait, what? This is the most epic glitch. It's saying upgrade 25% off. That's like 20 platinum is the original price and I'm supposed to pay 21? What? Bruh. Okay, I'll share the image at the end of the video with you guys. So this is the Griffin which I have. The Griffin is not that good. This is mainly which I use for capturing beacons, and like this is very low because like the pin has not been upgraded at all, because I thought that I needed 2 rocket kind of launches thing. And the Sinister Cryo, well, that was what I got when I unlocked the Cryptic Fenrir, coming back to that later. And I've got put 2 a Mollet T and a Mollet, so that's nice because the Punisher is doing much lesser damage. And I realized that this like shoots much slower than the Punisher, but I still think that this is better. Now coming to the Cryptic Fenrir. So my Cryptic Fenrir, it has a Sinister Cryo, Thunder, and Punisher T. And I am thinking of actually changing this Punisher T to Immortality. Upgrade 5 minutes. Okay. Ooh. And boom, boom. Okay, this is good enough, I guess. Now I'm gonna upgrade to like level 5. I guess level 5. Let's go. Okay, we've got a 600 damage. Right, I think. Okay, yeah. Anyhow, so that's equipped. Nice. Now it's got a shapeshift ability. It consists of an AG shield. That means it can even survive like a Titan attacks, but actually when it runs out, it's like gone. Now upgrade to level 6. It's pretty OP on this speed level, much faster than my Griffin though, I realized that. But this is like my 3rd robot usually. My modules are the armor kit and the lockdown ammo. The lockdown ammo is very very good, and its modules are armor kit and repair unit. Now I have an Outjun with a Dragon Calamity and a Thunder. This is my most upgraded robot to level 5. The health is not that much, but its speed is very fast. It's very fast in speed. It deals 319 damage, like it keeps giving 319 damage. More than that though, like I still don't understand the math, but who cares. And 16 damage per second, the damage over time, the DOT effect, exactly. And the Dragon Breath, it launches off, becomes invisible, and it gives out a flamethrower which gives DOT to the target. And a Fusion. This is like my last robot which I use. This is the last robot because it's like, it mainly sucks. And I'm thinking of replacing this with a Hawk actually, which I'm currently still unlocking. Okay, anyhow, I'll just show it to you later, blah. Okay, and its modules are just an armor kit. This guy, however, has tons of it. An armor kit, nuclear reactor, an armor kit, and a repair unit. So let's jump into the gameplay. And battle, boom. Okay. Okay, that was quick. By the way, I'm gonna be recording just 1 to 2 like battles. So yeah, please don't get mad at me for not recording much. Actually, right now I'm not performing very well because I have a really crappy PC. So a sub to the channel would be good so that I can monetize my channel and finally get a new PC. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna die. Oh This is bad. This is bad. That's bad. That is very bad. No. Oh crap. Holy shit. Sorry for the bad language, but yeah, that's bad. Only if like I can capture this beacon, then I can probably make it. Bro, really, he's not even realizing, man. He's not even realizing. What the hell? I'm not gonna attack. I'm just gonna take up the beacon. Wait, what the? No, crap. Holy shit. Ah, shit. No, man. This is bad. They got the enemy beacon. It's an enemy beacon now. What's our closest beacon, though? What is the closest beacon? Dang! Our closest beacon is probably a million miles away, which is a home point. Yeah, that's a home point. It's only a home point. Okay. Okay, I'll let him capture that first so that then I can spawn in there and finally do something useful for my goddamn team. Are you serious? I'm taking a fly because mainly it has like, it can, if you deal enough damage, it can lock down enemies. That's pretty nice. Neat, nice. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, I'm not gonna question anything. It's just good to see that my team is actually supporting me. That's good to see. Boyo, let's go, fly. Fly, little Jun, fly. You shall fly now, dang it. Wait, did he die? Or what the? Come on. Capture. Yes. Oh, god dang. I know I can kill him, but I'm still not taking the chances. You know, like, to be safe. Always gotta be safe. And I'm not using my ability to capture the beacon. Many people would say that actually. I have seen some live streams and no, I'm not using it. That's stupid. What if somebody spawns in there? Then I can be like, I predicted, really, bro? I predicted? How am I so good at predicting things? Why, God? Why is life so mysterious? Could you answer me that? And if somebody spawns me, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be so dang mad. Is that a stalker or is that an Orochi? Stalker or an Orochi? That's a Loki. Left mount, that's a Loki. Oh wait, my Titan's charge. Okay, that's good to see. Let's go. He's going back. I know there's only one way to get to the goddamn thing. Okay, I can take on him. Fly, little Jun, fly. You can kill this loser with the stupid Leo. He has spawned to take a match against a Jun. Good night. Bruh. Oh wait, can I take the beacon? Can shot it right, take the goddamn beacon. Also, I don't want to heal because if I heal, I get like 2 times the usual. Oh, frick, man. Oh. How did I survive that? How did God make me survive that? How did I survive that? Bob! I'm a bot. I am a goddamn bot. No, I'm not. Okay, right. Nice. Titan is charged. Roma, GG. GG that Roma. Yes, I watch wrestling plays. Yes, I watch wrestling plays. What the hell? Why isn't this guy dying, or is that just me? Am I just lagging, or is that gun, or was that guy not dying? Please let me know in the comments. Because dang. Wait, is that a level 9 or what the hell? Hello? That's illegal. What the heck? Bruh. I goddamn hate people. Oh, what the hell? 4v1? Are you freaking serious? Oh, god dang. Dang. I'm taking that. Wait, do we have a kid or do they have a kid? We have a kid, yeah, we have a kid. That was Scorpion who failed in doing a backstab. I'm taking a beacon. Oh man, I'm lagging due to this recording. Dang. Wait, that Scorpion's gonna backstab. That Scorpion's gonna backstab, so I'm gonna be pre-prepared. What the hell? Dang! Dang! No! No, Shaurya, run! Run! Run, little boy, run! Why the hell did I just say run to run? He's holding the spot pretty good. For me gusta le liking, he's holding it pretty good. Me gusta, me gusta. Ooh, this is gonna happen for sure. Did I make it? Yes, I made it. Shaurya has made it. Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Still good night, sir. I'm gonna still say good night, sir. Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Yes, good night, sir. Good morning, sir. Goodbye, Shaurya Rai. Goodbye, Game Mode 4040. This is the end. Okay, guys, so that was enough for today's let's say game, or I'll say one more round. And yeah, also if you want to join my Discord server, links in the description below. And yeah, please do join. I'm trying to hit like 20 to 30 people, because I currently have 10 to 15 people. It's sad. Okay, so bye guys, see you in the next game.